Hey there, tech fans. Colin here again with another review. Today we've got our hands on the Linksys SE3008 8-port gigabit Ethernet switch. Now that's a heck of a mouthful, I know, but this thing is a very dense quality product. There's a lot to go over here, so let's get started. Opening up the box, we're immediately greeted with the very nicely packaged high quality metal encased switch right here. This is going to be the main product. On the front you can see you've got all 8 ports. This is as opposed to the Linksys SE3005 model, which only has 5 ports. Each of these is going to have full gigabit capacity on them. So as long as you have a gigabit coming in, you'll be able to handle gigabit coming out to your other devices. This is going to work great in tandem with other devices on your network that require high capacity Ethernet capabilities, such as maybe a printer, a computer, some sort of a network drive for storage, maybe a media player, any sort of thing like that. This is going to go great in tandem with to extend your router's range. Underneath this here, we have, of course, the required power adapter that you're going to need to power the machine. It just plugs right in on the back there. There's a 12-volt DC input right there on the back. As well as that, they provide 4 nice little rubber pads, 3M stick on them on the back, and they are just nice little rubber pads so that you don't have maybe a little scraping on your desk if you decide to keep it desk mounted like this. As well as that, they also happen to include some wall mount screws and screw sets so that you can mount it straight onto your wall. And they conveniently have some little screw inputs right there on the bottom where you'd be able to hook it on in any sort of orientation onto your wall that you'd want. Really, really great, versatile product from Linksys. So once again, this is going to be an uncontrolled switch, so there's not going to be any sort of software to connect to this to control anything. It's going to be 1,000 megabytes per second across the board, 1 gigabit as long as that's the capacity of your input. You just connect this up to a router, connect it up to your device that you're trying to get network to, and you're good to go, as long as you've got the power adapter, of course. So that's really all we got to talk about today for this product. It's a really concise and quality product from Linksys. The durability is there. You've got nice ventilation ports on the side. It's a great product. It's going straight into our system right now. We're going to be using it to expand our media ports, and this is just what we were looking for. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this is what you were looking for, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.